Welcome to Cook by Color, where complementary colors equals complementary taste. If this is your first time viewing, thank you so much for checking me out. I am your host, Marcus Moore, and I am back in the kitchen to teach you how to cook by color. And today is Taco Tuesday. And if you're viewing this on Thursday, it's still Tuesday. You just don't know it yet, and make the tacos anyway. But before I actually get into making the tacos, I'd like to introduce a guest, good friend of mine, Alaska. Please step into the Cook by Color kitchen.
What's going on, man?
What's up, sir?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm good, man. Tell everybody what you do so that I don't mess it up.
Music executive. I work at Legion of Creatives, and we're really specialized in artist development and supporting creatives.
We're about to get creative in this kitchen. Over here, I'm going to actually put together a mango salsa. Okay. Have you had a mango salsa before?
I had a jarred though, so not fresh.
Oh, okay.
I have not had mango salsa.
Got it.
Yeah, what's going on here, man?
I make my tacos a little different. I like to actually, put the tortilla down.
Okay.
Let the olive oil hit it a little bit. Add a little bit of queso.
All right.
And then I also sprinkle a little bit of coconut sugar in the middle. So let's add a little bit of me, myself, and lime. It has the lime, basil, cilantro, kiwi, and some chilies in it.
Nice.
Sandwich it, and then flip it over. And what it does, it just infuses the flavor, gives you more bite. While that's done, you can also hit on top, just to give it a little more punch to it. Now, do you like heat?
I do, man. I'm West Indian, so heat is part of my everyday diet.
All right, so the hot that I'm talking about is habaneros.
We'll do half and half. I don't want to start sweating too much.
All right, so just so you know, I put a little bit of serrano. You got some onion, you have mango, and because I like to stay color coordinated, I have some yellow tomatoes in there. And that's done.
So I can make mango salsa now too, huh?
Dog, it's super easy.
I see.
Super easy.
Very good. It's light.
Yeah.
Word.
Not
got
heavy.
A little kick.
So the kick that you're tasting is the actual green chilies inside of the me, myself, and mine.
Ah, okay.
Let's actually build a taco.
Yeah, we'll do that before I eat all this.
For me, I actually kind of build backwards and then add toppings again on top of it. So, got the queso.
Yes.
Grab a little bit of the tomato.
Thank you, sir.
Add a little bit of this red onion. Grab some of this chicken. And then I start to add a little bit of seasoned cabbage.
Yeah.
Now the cabbage, everybody, it's super easy. It has a great flavor to it. Add a little bit of salt, add some lime or some lemon to it, give it that punch, and then put it in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. It will start to wilt, so it's not hard to manage or actually tough to eat. Now with that, I'm going to take another dash. Now if you're really looking for some heat, you can add the Habla habanero.
So like scale 1 to 10.
Depends on how your palate is. You can completely blow it out.
You got me nervous, man.
What you think?
Very good, man.
Yeah?
Word. That lime sauce.
Me, myself, and
Me,
lime?
myself, and lime, yes. I need some of this. And the habanero is spicy.
Yeah.
But it's not too hot.
Okay.
Very good.
That will do it for us. This is Taco Tuesday, even though that is Monday. Alaska, thank you so much, dog, for coming through. I definitely appreciate your company, man.
Thank you so much. I appreciate the time.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir.
And for those that are watching, please show me how you do your Taco Tuesday, even though it's Sunday.
Channel.